Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Got a great episode for you today. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can release some of the anxiety, stress, and overwhelm that we've been feeling. Come back to the trust and the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting into a nice posture where your spine can be upright, putting distractions to the side, putting the past to the side, putting future to the side, just coming right into this moment, accepting this moment as it is. Not worrying about anything but this present moment. As you close the eyes, becoming more aware of sound, the sensation of touch. Noticing how you feel. Noticing your energy level. Without judging, just witnessing and welcoming your thoughts, frustration, self-hatred, what's ever there. Seeing it with some spaciousness, with some awareness, as you relax your belly, relaxing the shoulders. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale with a sigh. Letting go of problems. Breathing in love. Exhaling fears. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in trust. And exhaling worries, letting go of anxieties. Feeling anxiety leave the mind, leave the body as you exhale all the air in your lungs. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Letting go of all the air in your lungs, just be empty of breath. Relaxing your face, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead. Bring the attention inwards as you observe the movement of thoughts sensations, emotion, letting go of shame, letting go of guilt, letting go of anger, coming back into love and trust, back into compassion, patience, back into the understanding of how strong you are, back into abundance mindset, feeling the abundance of life. If you've been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Becoming aware of the sound and the spaciousness and silence after the sound. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, let go. Relaxing your belly, relaxing the hands and the fingers. Bringing a subtle smile to your face as you breathe in. Holding the breath. Exhale. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhale slowly, softly. Releasing, letting go of pain. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Coming into this present moment as you take a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in. And exhale. Taking a deep breath. And exhale. Inhaling. Hold. And exhale. The color for today is blue. The number is 22. And the animal is a goldfish. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you love and light. Wishing you the patience if you feel that you're in darkness. If you feel that fear and uncertainty and anxiety, depression is engulfing your experience, overwhelming your experience. Stay patient with it. Try not to push it away. Instead, see if you can welcome the anger, the anxiety, like old friends. knowing that you're not this anger or this fear, these anxieties, because it can come and go. So make sure to be aware when you're angry, and also be aware when the anger has passed, when the anxiety has passed. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.